In this video, we are starting to learn Python from the very beginning. I will guide you through the process of installing Python. I will cover each step in detail to ensure that you will have a smooth installation experience. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my coding channel for more tutorials and tips. And let's get started. First comes downloading Python. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Python official website and press enter. Click on the link that leads to the official Python website. Once on the Python website, navigate to the download section in the main menu. On the downloads page, you will see the latest Python version available for download. As of now, the latest version is Python 3.12.3, which was released on April 9, 2024. This version is quite new and includes the latest features and improvements. Make sure to download the installer appropriate for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS or Linux. After downloading, click on the downloaded file, save the file on your desktop. Your laptop will show the appropriate operating system based on your OS. For example, if you are using Mac OS, you will see the download for Mac OS option. Now click on the Python installer, then click continue, continue again, then agree and finally install. Second comes entering password for installation. The installer will ask for your password. Type your laptop password, then click install software. Python will now be installed on your laptop. As you can see, many files are also being installed. Once completed, close the installer, then you will see a message indicating that the Python installation was completed successfully. Thank you for watching today's video where we covered downloading and installing Python. In our next video, we will set up a project directory, learn about naming conventions in Python, and write our first program. You can access the Python playlist where I will include all videos related to Python. Goodbye and see you in the next video.